So we are going to do some MCQs question, actually MCQs of chapter 12. Okay, Heron's formula. So 1 minute. First question. First question is direct question. The sides of triangle are the sides of triangle are 16 centimeter, so two questions are written on the screen. The sides of triangle are given 60, 30 and 34. You have to find the area. 4 options are given. And another question, the base of an isosceles right triangle is 30 centimeter. You have to note that it is isosceles also and right also. Its area is. So solve these two questions. B is correct answer. And here what is the answer? Question second.
Ma'am, I don't know. This I have not done.
Okay. Half base into height you can do. So half. It is given that it is an isosceles triangle. Right angled isosceles triangle. So this is a right angled triangle and isosceles means this side and this side is equal. This is also 30 and this is also 30. Area of triangle is half base into height. So half 30 into 30. So it will be 450 centimeter square.
Yes, ma'am.
Question 1 I will show you. Sides are given 16, 30 and 34. So semi-perimeter will be 16 plus 30 plus 34 by 2. What is it coming?
Ma'am, 80 by 2.
So it is
Ma'am,
40.
80 by 2.
40.
Yes, ma'am.
Now area of triangle
Yes, ma'am.
under root of S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay. So 40. This will be 24.
24,
Will be
10 and
10.
6.
and 6.
So we'll obtain
Yes,
prime factorization of this. Prime factorization, or there are 2 zeros. So we can first of all take 10 outside. Now prime factorization of 4 is 2 into 2. 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Sorry, 24. 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. Yes. 8, 3 are 24. Okay. Into 6, 2 into 3. Now we'll make pairs. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 and 3 into 3. Okay. So it is 10 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 8 3s are 24. It's coming 240. There is a mistake. Let me check it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So answer is 240.
240.
And we can make this change here. This D option is 240. So this is not the answer. This one is the answer and it is 240 centimeters square. Okay. And this is 450. Half base into height. This formula you will put and find the answer. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show the second solution?
So here you have to, it is given that the base of an isosceles right triangle is 30 centimeter. So this is a right triangle and its base is 30 and it's an isosceles triangle. So this both sides will be equal. This side and this side will be equal. Okay. So this both are 30, 30, and if it is right angle, you can just put the formula half base into height. Okay.
Ma'am, in this,
The sides of a triangle are 7 centimeter, 9 centimeter, and 14 centimeter. Its area is A 12 root 5, B 12 root 3, C 24 root 5, and D 63 centimeter square. Find this answer. I am writing one more question that you can solve, and by that time I'll check these answers also. Okay. The So, okay, this answer is correct. 12 root 5. Now try fourth one.
Ma'am, 15 minus 7, I've written 2, so
Okay. So you get
Wrong.
12 root 5 this way. Okay. Semi perimeter is 15 in question 3. And you will find the area of triangle by Heron's formula. That will be 12 root 5. So question is, the sides of triangle are 50, 78 and 112. Okay. So basically a triangle is there. Its sides are 58, 50, 78 and 112. Okay. We have to find the smallest altitude. Okay. What you have to find is smallest altitude.
altitude.
अब किसी भी ट्रायंगल में 3 एल्टीट्यूड्स होंगे. ठीक है. एल्टीट्यूड क्या होता है? Yes, Yashvi, you can also see here now. In any triangle, there will be 3 altitudes. Altitude is a line perpendicular from one vertex to opposite side. Altitude क्या होता है? एक line है, which is line segment which is perpendicular from one vertex on opposite side. So 3 altitudes will be there. This can also be altitude, and this can also be a altitude. This all will be perpendicular on the side of the triangle. ठीक है. अब हमको ये बोल रहा है कि हमको स्मॉलेस्ट एल्टीट्यूड फाइंड करना है. तो स्मॉलेस्ट, यू हैव फाउंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल विल फाइंड बाय हेरॉन्स फॉर्मूला. Area of triangles with sides 50, 78 and 112. Okay. What is coming area of triangle?
Ma'am, 1680 centimeter square.
1680 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ठीक है. अब एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल क्या होता है? हाफ बेस इंटू हाइट. ठीक है. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज ऑल्सो गिवन बाय दिस फॉर्मूला, हाफ बेस इंटू हाइट. बेस इफ आई टेक ए बी, सपोज इस पॉइंट को मैं डी ले रही हूँ, ये ई है और ये एफ है. ठीक है. तो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल जो है उसको अगर मैं बेस ए बी लेती हूँ, इफ आई टेक बेस एज ए बी, then area of triangle can be written as half AB into CD. Base into altitude. This is height, base into height. Okay. Area of triangle can also be written as half BC into AF. And area of this triangle can also be written as half AC into BE. This all shows area of same triangle. ठीक है. और यही ट्रायंगल, यही एरिया है 1680. ओके. अब हमको ये बोल रहा है हमको स्मॉलेस्ट एल्टीट्यूड फाइंड करना है. स्मॉलेस्ट एल्टीट्यूड कब होगा? जब साइड ऑफ ट्रायंगल लार्जेस्ट होगी. अगर हम एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल में बेस BC लेंगे तो जो एल्टीट्यूड होगा वो स्मॉलेस्ट होगा. हम साइड कौन सी भी ले सकते हैं एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल फाइंड करने के लिए? AB भी ले सकते हैं, BC भी ले सकते हैं और AC भी ले सकते हैं, जब हम ये वाला फॉर्मूला लगाते हैं, हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट. ठीक है. तो जब हमको स्मॉलेस्ट एल्टीट्यूड फाइंड करना है तो हम क्या करेंगे, बिगेस्ट साइड लेंगे, स्मॉलेस्ट एल्टीट्यूड एंड बिगेस्ट साइड कौन सा है?
मैम
मैम बेस
AC
बिगेस्ट साइड
मैम AC
AC तो 78 है।
मैम AF
साइड साइड कौन
तो
सा?
मैम
ट्राइंगल की साइड्स तो
मैम
3 है, AB AC एंड BC।
यस मैम BC1
BC
BC
इज द लार्जेस्ट साइड। तो अब हम ये फॉर्मूला
Largest.
लगाएंगे, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल टू हाफ इंटू BC इंटू AF। area of triangle is 1680, half BC is 112 and AF is smallest altitude. By this formula we'll get the value of AF. So AF will be 2 into 1680 upon 112. This you can calculate, you will get the answer.
yes ma'am.
So when you will solve,
मैम आई
Ma'am
30. Yes.
ma'am 30
So this answer is 30.
30
ये क्लियर है कॉन्सेप्ट स्मॉलेस्ट एल्टीट्यूड
Yes,
का?
ma'am.
ठीक है।
मैम आई
अगर
कट इट फ्रॉम मैम टू स्टेबल
हाँ 2 बार कट कर दिया होगा, कोई मिस्टेक हो गई होगी, नो प्रॉब्लम। ओके, सो द कॉन्सेप्ट शुड बी क्लियर। अगर बिगेस्ट
Ma'am.
एल्टीट्यूड निकालना है, अगर बिगेस्ट एल्टीट्यूड निकालना है तो हम स्मॉलेस्ट साइड लेंगे। तो आप मुझे बिगेस्ट एल्टीट्यूड बता सकते हो कैसे निकालेंगे?
Ma'am AB through AB.
थ्रू AB, राइट।
Ma'am 1680 is equals to half into AB into
CD DC equals to 1680
Yes, ma'am.
and we'll substitute all the values. ठीक है, तो हमको स्मॉलेस्ट एल्टीट्यूड निकालना है या बिगेस्ट एल्टीट्यूड निकालना है, we can find accordingly. Question can also be asked altitude to smallest side. तो एल्टीट्यूड टू स्मॉलेस्ट साइड क्या होगा? AB के ऊपर जो एल्टीट्यूड। क्वेश्चन को ढंग से रीड
Yes,
करना है और फिर इंटरप्रेट करना है। क्लियर है?
yes ma'am.
Okay. Question 5. The length of each side of an equilateral triangle of area 4√3 centimeter square is A 4 centimeter, B 4 by √3 centimeter, C √3 by 4 centimeter and D 3 centimeter. Area is given 4√3 and formula is √3 by 4a square. So we'll
Into 4.
√3 and √3 will cancel. 4 into 4 is 16 is a square.
16.
So a is √16, that is equal to 4 centimeter. So this is the
Yes,
मैम
हाँ बोलो।
मैम बट √3 और √3 दोनों ऊपर ही आ रहे, तो ऊपर ऊपर कैंसिल तो होता ही नहीं है।
हो जाएगा ना, दोनों इक्वल टू साइन के इस साइड और इस साइड है। Both are on the different sides of equal to sign, so this both will cancel.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I had done like ma'am. First, I had taken 4 in the place of a square.
Okay.